Hey
Are you going
Anshika,
to be
what's up,
on your
bro?
laptop?
No, I can shut my laptop.
Okay.
I wanted Pooja ki chappal to be visible to the world.
Yes. मेरे पास पूजा की चप्पल नहीं है, बस चप्पल
That's
चप्पल
okay.
चप्पल है.
Who cares?
हाँ.
Only I care about her.
Not true.
हाँ मतलब
मैं आज ही सुबह पूजा को याद कर रही थी.
Pooja. Pooja.
Hi पूजा.
Hi Pooja, what's up, bro? चलो.
Okay. तो आज का podcast episode number Lord knows what at this point. But
Is it 1,000 already?
No.
Then it doesn't matter what number it is. If it's
Exactly.
1,000.
तो आज के पॉडकास्ट में हम दो चीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे. I'll start with the first one, which is that you told me about an interesting conversation you had yesterday.
Yeah? Which one? I told you about a lot of conversations I
Where
had
you
yesterday.
told a young person how they can be the most connected 25-year-old
Oh yeah.
to exist. And right
Cool.
now they're 21. So what's the 4 or 5 years
So first and foremost, that young person is a lady called Vaishnavi.
Yeah.
You can look her. I was saying him. You can look her up on Twitter, Instagram, etc., etc. Her handle keeps changing every few months. As
Right
of today, her
now
handle is
it's
Vichitrakar. I do not know how to spell it. It's the death of me, Vaishnavi. If you're listening to this, you need to know it's a death of me because when I tag you, I do not know Vichitrakar में कितने A हैं, कितने I हैं.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
a pain in my fucking backside to tag you, Vaishnavi. Coming back. So I met Vaishnavi for something. She had to deliver some stuff to me. So
Yeah.
anyways, so we got talking and we were there. We were stuck at an airport for some time and we didn't know what to do because there was traffic to go back home. So we said, let's sit and chill until the traffic dies.
Yeah.
So we were at the airport, chilling, talking. And one of the things I told her कि तू 22 साल की है. And then she got angry. She like stood up and said, एक मिनट, मैं 21 साल की हूँ. And I was like, okay, fine, 21 साल की है तो
Yeah.
point क्या है? So she said, what is the point? I said, you're 21 right now and you are still to go out in the world per se. मतलब she currently is working with a startup which is doing something incredible. She is a great designer. She already has built a design practice of herself, wherein she's got some clients who come to her. So she's doing an okay life, right? मतलब okay क्या? मतलब in fact good life. If other 21-year-olds looked at her and said कि यार ये लड़की इतना सब कर रही है और मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ तो कर रहा हूँ, so they'll be jealous of her because she's doing a lot already. Now, with that as a context, she said, मैं और क्या कर सकती हूँ? How do I go forth from here on? And it was a question that triggered multiple thoughts. And I said that, I am 42 right now and she is 21, half my age. If I could turn back time and I could be 21, what would I do differently to make myself better, more impactful, more like whatever at that age? So I gave her a few ideas that I think should work. I do not know it'll work for the world at large or not, but I think they will work. And then I was able to relate it to how I use those same specific things to help Anshika and Chandni also become bigger than what they were. Like the worldview of Anshika and Chandni was X when they came to, let's say, C4E and working with us. And today the worldview is bigger. मतलब my simple metric is कितने लोगों के पास तुम्हारा phone number saved है. Think of it like that. You may have 100 people का number on your phone book. I mean, that's a good metric to have, by the way. Comment on this video, reel, whatever. I don't know what Anshika does with it. Tell me the number of contacts on your phone. If it is anything less than 10,000, you need to work hard. मेरे phone
Number
में
of contacts on
on
your
your phone.
phone. My phone.
on your phone.
Okay.
The challenge for you. So I want you to comment on this reel, on this video or whatever, the number of phone contacts that you have on your phone. Now, why? And let me guess, average person who's watching it would be a 22, 25-year-old person who wants to adult. My guess is that your phone will not have more than 1,000 contacts. And out of the 1,000 contacts, okay, 1,000 is a big number because I'm talking about people in my radar, my circle. Average college person who's 21 years of age would have not more than 200 contacts in their phone list. 200, that's it. And उन 200 में से भी ना, it'll be your college kids, it'll be your college WhatsApp groups, it'll be your locality WhatsApp group. But beyond those 2-3 predictable circles, circle 1 college, circle 2 locality, circle 3 your family. In 3 के अलावा ना, you will not have a 4th circle. If you're active on Twitter, Instagram, you will probably have some people there. But if you aggregate these 4 circles, college, family, locality, and social media, internet, you would have 200 people. I can bet. Anshika, you can run that as a thought experiment in your college.
I'm thinking of
put it a
doing
WhatsApp
my
group.
thesis on this.
You can put a WhatsApp message on your college WhatsApp group and ask that I'm doing a project and research. Do a poll.
Right.
0 to 200, 200 to 500, 500 to 1,000, and ask them to send screenshots.
I'll run it on Instagram also and see what
wherever, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is step 1 कि तुम्हारे phone में कितने number है?
हाँ.
Bro, step 2 is कितने लोगों के तुम्हारे नंबर है. Now there is no way for me to check कि कितने लोगों के मेरा नंबर है. Like for example, if you are part of a WhatsApp group जहाँ पे 500 लोग हैं, there would be people on the other side of the group who will save all the numbers. Like they will save Saurabh, the Freedom Project, Anshika, Deepurin Draupadi. ऐसे नाम save करेंगे होंगे लोग. But you cannot control that. But what you can control is luck, surface area. What you can control is be there in rooms, in places wherein you can save numbers of people on your phone and get your number saved on their phones. And that is a very, very good metric to know कि तुम लाइफ में आगे कितना बढ़ने वाले हो. Like one of my really good friends, Preetham, he runs a company called Zoth. I mean, he's raised a lot of money. I cannot tell you about that because I have private information about him. But he is a big believer of this quote that I think some big guy said once upon a time. Your network is your net worth. Now, Preetham today runs a very successful crypto startup and he's been able to do it only and only because of his network. Obviously, there is hard work and there is idea, there is innovation. All those things are there. Nobody is denying that. But the fact is that he was able to mobilize all of it because of his network. And in my life, like I am an example of network effect, allowing me to make more connections. Like today, if I'm doing two things, C4E and Meru, both of these things have come to me because of network. मतलब मेरू तो purely network का outcome है. There is no way in hell that I would be working on a business like Meru wherein we are trying to impact lives of active elders and
Active seniors.
Active elders, active seniors, मतलब वो important नहीं है, but important is this network has allowed me to do all of that thing. So coming back, what I told Vaishnavi was, question was, आज 21 साल की है, 25 साल की होने हैं, 4 साल का टाइम है. I said assume कर 5 साल का टाइम है तेरे पास. So what do you do in the next 5 years? Okay, side note, this is also again a real worthy material.
Yeah.
Think of your life in 5-year windows. So assume that you're going to live till 80. I mean, hopefully, this generation seems to be the generation that will not die. Thanks to Brian Johnson and one of our clients called Foxo. Don't look them up. Plug for Foxo. Akash, if you're listening to this, I need influencer money from you for doing this plug-in for you. Okay, so
he helped me with my assignment. So I
oh,
think
did
we're
he?
sorted.
Oh yeah. Oh damn, then he'll send you a bill. Square off हो जाएगा. Cut the assignment.
Yeah.
Okay, coming back. So let's say your life is going to be 80 years. Expectancy पकड़ लो, जो भी पकड़ लो, 70, 80, जो भी मर्जी पकड़ लो. तो मैं assume करो कि life can be broken down into 5-year long chunks, and it tends to be true. Like think of yourself as doing 16 projects of 5-year each. So don't look at college as 3-year thing, but look at education as 5-year project. Look at building your skills as a Naukri employee for 5 years, then doing a startup for 5 years, then becoming a mentor for 5 years. So break life into 5-year projects, and somehow na it will fit in very very well. 5 का 4 होगा, 6 होगा, मतलब fluid है वो. But think of your life like that. So I told Vaishnavi, think of your life in 5-year projects, and then for her it could fit well. Like I said that from the time you decided to go to NIFT to the time when you finishing NIFT, it was a 4.5 year long period. So that's 5 years for you. Now you're working on a startup. The startup will take 5 years to reach that multi-million-dollar valuation that you want to build. So that's 5 years. Then what happens in the next 5 years? You may continue to run the startup, or you may go out. In my case, this 5 years is super. Like I could align it. Like I could see that ये 5 साल का window मेरे लिए best है. मैंने college किया 3 साल का, 4 साल का, MBA के 2 साल का, तो पूरा window 6 साल का हो गया.
मैंने कॉलेज 5 साल का किया है.
Correct. So
And it's finishing up like 18 is when I graduated school and life changed drastically, and a lot of things in the middle with college and C4E and DD and etc and lots of things like just exposure wise, and it ends in say May, June, whatever. And then life changes. So 5 years.
So 5
definitely
is a broad number. I mean, there was somebody I don't know who it was. I read somewhere. I can find that data. I mean, I hope it's in the notes. No, it said that they lived their lives in 7-year windows.
Okay.
And I love my brain. There's a guy called Steven Sagmeister. He's a designer.
So this is why I wanted to keep my laptop open so I could.
Steven Sagmeister, whatever. He runs a company called Sagmeister and Walsh. I do not know what he does right now. He says that he lives there's a video that he's made that he lives his life in 7-year windows. Fuck, I'm amazed that I remember that. So coming back, so मतलब 5 साल की विंडो में जियो. सो नाउ वैष्णवी को बोल रहा था कि देख अगले 5 साल तेरे कहीं नहीं जा रहे. अगले 5 साल तू सर पर से स्टार्टअप कर रही है बिकॉज स्टार्टअप बड़ा होना है, और वो 1 साल बड़ा नहीं होगा, 2 साल. इनफैक्ट यू नो दिस गोज ऑन द पॉडकास्ट, बट दिस इज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू व्हेन आई वुड पार्टनर अप विद पीपल. आई वुड मेक देम राइट अ 5-year plan, a letter to 5-year in future version of themselves, and give them कि तुम रख लो अपने पास. I do not know what happened to the letters because people kept it.
But what
And
about it? Why would you do that?
because things are built in 5 years. Like if you want to build a Oscar winning company, unless you are super lucky, you will not be able to build it in less than 5 years. If you want to build a startup, it will take 5 years to build that. Decoding Draupadi for you will take 5 years of full time effort. अभी तो तू part time
Correct.
college में मस्ती में कर रही है.
हाँ,
But once you get out of the college, it will take 5 years for you to see it somewhere, reach somewhere. Starbucks, do you know how old is Starbucks in India? Can you guess?
2011.
12 years. तो 5 साल की विंडो में देखना है. नाउ वैष्णवी इज डूइंग दिस स्टार्टअप फॉर 5 years. ग्रेट. अंशिका विल फिगर आउट व्हाट टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years. In fact, I was telling Chandni this. I was telling Chandni that Chandni at C4E you spent 3 years to build what you want to build. Other 2 years are next 2 years are the one wherein you scale it and then you move on from C4E to the next thing, whatever the next thing is. I do not know. Maybe she'll take the entire village together. Maybe she'll do it by herself. But your time has come. I have moved out of C4E in 5 years. Matlab, this version of C4E started in 2020 when COVID made me move from events to content marketing strat or
Right.
whatever. It was October 2020 when I got the first project, and I am out of it March 2025. Like 4.5, 5 years, right? I'm not out, but I hope I'll be out.
Correct.
Hi, what's up? I don't know what Mega was. I don't know why she was living at. That's Mega, our Starbucks barista. She ensures that we get good coffee and good matcha.
And
Anyways,
space to record.
And space to record without permission from Yogesh. So if you're ever in Versova,
And
please
then-
come here and meet Yogesh and Mega and Seema and Priyanka and tell them good things about us. Coming back, तो 5 साल का काम होता है. So मैंने बहुत time waste कर दिया to talk about 5-year conversations. Now,
हाँ जी.
what do you do in these 5 years so that you are the most connected person? अगर तुम्हारे phone book पे आज 200 नंबर है, अगले 5 साल में how does the number become 2000, 20,000? I don't know the answer, right?
Yeah.
तो okay, side note, trivia. Guess the number of contacts that I have on my phone.
I want to see you as a phone.
My phone is recording the
Oh.
video.
I am disappointed in myself. I was wondering आपने मेरा phone क्यों लिया?
हाँ,
Starbucks की
because
OTP के लिए
exactly.
click.
Hmm.
I know how many I have. 1046.
That's it.
That's it.
I heard expected you to be at 2000. Despite all the raita.
Oh
yeah,
no. Sorry. 1426.
हाँ, but I would have expected you to be
Closer.
2000 के ऊपर. No, I'm not close. I would have said 2000 because 500 तेरी औरतें हैं तेरे ग्रुप में.
I don't save everybody.
You don't save everybody. Oh, you're not that weirdo who saves everybody's number.
I try to and I lose my mind saving 100 people every day.
Okay, coming back. So, what do you do in the next 5 years to become the most connected person? And this is where we segue from Vaishnavi to a individual. Let's talk of this lady called Farheen. I met her on email. Oh, Farheen. I'll talk about Farheen quickly. Farheen.
Yeah,
not Farheen.
figured, yeah.
Farheen. We know way too many Farheens. Bro, we were in Bangalore. For that, this can go on the podcast also. We were in Bangalore for that Signer ka meeting.
Correct.
After the meeting, he said, let's grab a dinner or whatever. So
Yeah.
Chandni, myself, Sonam, and one more person, I don't know who.
Huh.
And 4 of us go to some fancy ass restaurant. I do not know the restaurant. I'll let them pick. We go to the
Yeah.
restaurant, nice restaurant, blah blah blah. The owner comes up and says, "सब बढ़िया है कि नहीं है, सब ठीक है कि नहीं है."
हाँ.
Turns out owner का नाम है Farheen. And I'm like, and she's like, I do not know any other Farheen. And Chandni's like, I know 3 Farheen. You know, can you guess 3 Farheen that we know? एक question for you.
I know Arfareen. I know Farheen from the internet.
Which one?
The one you were talking to recently on mails.
Yeah.
I just know 2.
श्रीवर की बच्ची. She
I've
was the
not
Farheen.
met her.
अच्छा, even I've not met her, but श्रीवर की मेल्स पे वो मार्क्ड होती है. So I know 3 Farheen. Anyway, हम पता नहीं कहाँ Farheen पे पहुँच गए.
क्या कर रहे हैं
Exactly.
podcast?
Coming back.
You met Farheen.
So Farheen is 23-year-old person, runs a digital marketing agency in Delhi, and she came to me for advice and said कि मेरे को अपनी एजेंसी स्केल करनी है, क्या कर सकती हूँ मैं? And she gave me her number कि मैंने इस साल इतना किया है. And I said इसको तेरे को ना 10x करना है 1 साल में, कैसे करेगी? And she made like a plan to me, presented to me. I don't know if it is a good plan or not, but she did that entire thing for me. Now, one of the things I told her is exactly this कि तेरे को अगले ना तेरे को धंधा चाहिए ना तो तेरे को super hyper connected होना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए क्या कर सकती है तू? And let's assume that this conversation from here on is an advice to Farheen to become more connected. Cool. So move from Vaishnavi to Farheen. Segue from Vaishnavi to
Okay.
Farheen. And Farheen could be any other typical 20, 21, 22, 23, 24-year-old person. Cool. Done.
मेरे को एक चीज़ बोलनी
हाँ
है
जी.
साइड बार बट this WhatsApp group I have of 700 women on the internet. When I had to go to Hyderabad for my ISB वाला interview, I just dropped a random text there saying कि भाई ISB के interview के लिए जा रही हूँ, मुझे बता दो किससे मिलना चाहिए, कुछ करना चाहिए हैदराबाद में, whatever. Surprisingly, there were 2 people on that group who were doing the very same course in Hyderabad in that college, and then they gave me lots of gyan
Yeah.
what to do there and who to meet, and just made me go around and showed me the space. So
Power
that
of
was cool
networks.
and really surprising. Ki
Connections.
the exact thing I needed, somebody was
And
there.
here's my kicker. If you know 1,000 people, और जाकर को जो चाहिए ना वो मिल जाएगा.
करेक्ट. आज मुझे WooCommerce फिगर आउट करना था अपने
हाँ.
स्टिकर वेबसाइट के लिए, वो हो गया.
Okay, I'll give another tip, another trivia for you.
What?
There is a statistical number that says that if there is X number of people in the room, odds are 2 people are sharing their birthday. And that number is in 2
18.
digits. It's not in 3 digits, it's in 2 digits.
18.
Go find out. It's not 18. You can Google for it later. It's a statistically proven number. Anyways, तो फरहीन को ABC को वैष्णवी को अगर मोस्ट कनेक्टेड इंसान बनना है 5 साल में तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
हाँ.
Here is what you can do. Actual conversation अब शुरू हुआ है. अभी तक तो prelude था. Wow, the prelude was
Context set कर
like
रहे
hour
थे.
long prelude.
So, the context is Fareen is any average 21-year-old kid
21-year-old person who needs to adult.
who needs to adult. Okay, cool. 21-year-old person, any average 21-year-old person who needs to adult and now wants to be the most connected person at 25 years of age.
Yes.
What should this person do?
Amazing.
Chalo.
Okay, so first things first. Get out there on the internet.
Okay.
Internet, ना. So क्या होता था? And I'll double down on this. Double click on this as a friend tells me. So आज से I started the conversation with saying कि नंबर अपने फ़ोन पे देखो कितने फ़ोन नंबर्स हैं और उनको कैटेगरी में बकेट में बनाओ. तो बकेट तुम्हारी क्या बनी? फैमिली, लोकेलिटी मतलब पड़ोसी जो होते हैं, फैमिली, लोकेलिटी, कॉलेज एंड रैंडो पीपल दैट यू बम्प इनटू. मतलब तुम बैठे हो स्टारबक्स में, सम गाय विल कम अप टू यू एंड से अरे तू बहुत क्यूट लग रही है, और यू लव दिस फ्रेंड दैट यू मेट एट अ फ्रेंड्स पार्टी. सो दैट विल बी 4th ग्रुप. नाउ टिपिकल इंसान के पास 4 ही ग्रुप होते हैं. नाउ मोस्ट इंडियन फैमिलीज वुड हैव 30 पीपल इन देयर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में. मतलब तुम 20 साल के हो तो तुम्हारे माता पिता के 2 भाई बहन होंगे, उनके 2 बच्चे होंगे. तो इफ यू डू द फैमिली ट्री मैथ, यू विल इवन दो दे आर मैरिड और व्हाटएवर बच्चे भी होंगे, तो तेरी फैमिली में 30 ही लोग होंगे. एक यू कैन काउंट डिस्पाइट योर फैमिली बीइंग लार्ज, यू कैन काउंट योर फैमिली ग्रुप एक्सटेंडेड ग्रुप, उसमें 30-35 लोग होंगे शादी के बाद भी. मतलब तेरे पापा, उनकी बहन, पापा के बच्चे, राइट. सो 30 से ऊपर नहीं हो सकते. मतलब माई फैमिली वॉज लार्ज एंड वियर्ड बिकॉज़ आई एम ओल्ड. 12, right? Like imagine if all 12 get married again, there's 24. That's it.
Correct.
Right? Like 30 होंगे फैमिली में. ठीक है. तुम्हारी लोकेलिटी में 100 बच्चे होंगे. Maybe you grew up in a Vadvad address wherein there are like 15,000 flats.
Correct.
Or you grew up in a Shastri Nagar ka lane behind us. Or you grew up in a Dilshad Garden where I grew up. Now in Dilshad Garden, where I grew up, there are like 100 kids because lower middle class locality. बहुत बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं क्योंकि काम नहीं पेरेंट्स के, उसको बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हैं. In my generation. But despite that, I will become friends with 10 of those people who will hang out in the same park most of these days.
Correct.
और उन 10 में से, like for example, I am 42. I am in touch with just 1% out of those 10 kids that I thought I will die with. Right, Monu, the only guy I'm in touch with from my bachpan.
Yeah.
That's then you went to school. Now school में कितने बच्चे होते हैं क्लास में? 60 बच्चे होते हैं. Look at Sarah, for example. हमारी बच्ची है Sarah. She is in one of these fancy schools in Delhi.
Yeah.
And she's a smart kid, right? Sarah की क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं? 60 बच्चे हैं. And she will not be friends with all 60. She will be friends with 5 of those.
4-5 का core
Right?
group होता है.
वही नंबर होंगे. She will have numbers of randos, but 4-5 ही अच्छे लोग होंगे उसके, right? So if you do this math, ये 200 ही बनता है. Now, how do you find more people? You cannot go out and meet, like you cannot go knocking on the doors of your building and say, अरे मेरे को दोस्ती करनी है, नंबर दे दो, आपका नंबर सेव करना है. You can't do that. You can't go to school random class में टीचर मुझे 15 लोगों के नंबर चाहिए. You can't do that shit.
Oh, I tried doing that once when I was a young kid, around like 9th or 10th grade. I thought अगर मैं इन सबका नंबर सेव कर लूँ और ये फ्यूचर में बहुत फेमस हो जाए तो मैं फेमस लोगों को जानती हूँ.
Exactly.
And then I got a good beating for it in my school.
Your high agency back in the school days also.
I got a good beating. What is this? Where's security, privacy? What is all concept?
इंडिया में privacy क्या ही है?
हाँ.
So yeah, while this camera is recording me, I'm sure there are 15 more cameras trained at me right now that are recording me. So that's okay. So school, right? Now, and you cannot obviously tell your family कि जाओ और बच्चे करो और शादियाँ करो. तो the number of people that you know, the number of people you know will always be limited.
Right.
What do? You start working tomorrow. Like you're 22, so I'm assuming that you don't work right now full time. Let's say tomorrow you join Infosys. Even if you join Infosys may have 10 lakh people that work at Infosys, but तुम्हारी टीम में तो 15 ही लोग होंगे, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, 40 लोग होंगे. कितने होंगे? Let's say you join a startup. Let's say वैष्णवी startup कर रही है. उसकी टीम में 12 लोग हैं और 12 में से भी because the startup is built. I'll come to this.
Yeah.
Remind you to come back to this.
Okay.
उसकी टीम में 12 लोग हैं, बट फनीली उन 12 में से वो 6 को ऑलरेडी जानती है. That's the power of network. Vaishnavi had the network to get into the startup. You know, if tomorrow Chandni moves to the next thing after C4E, the next in the shoe will probably with Anshika and Saurabh and Pooja and all of us. मतलब she knows, like I'm doing मेरू में मेरी टीम में आज मेरू में 11 लोग हैं, उनमें से मैं 8 को पहले से जानता हूँ और मैं उनमें से 8 को मैं 10 साल से जानता हूँ. like imagine. So coming back, so how do you add more people? So how do you add more people? Is by becoming A, being available on the internet, and B, being interesting on the internet. देख इंटरनेट पे ना आज की डेट में अगर तुम 18 साल के हो तो तुम्हारे पास एक व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट है, तुम्हारे पास एक ईमेल अकाउंट है, तुम्हारे पास एक 100% इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है. जो भी बच्चा देख रहा है ना, I'll be surprised if there is one person who doesn't have an Instagram account who's watching this, for sure. That's my punt.
Correct.
If you don't have an Instagram account, you in fact, okay, wait, let me punt a different thing. Average number of Instagram accounts of people watching this is 2.5. एवरेज. हाँ, अंशिका तेरी बात नहीं कर रहा, तेरे पास 15 है, बट एवरेज नंबर पीपल वाचिंग, एवरेज नंबर ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स दैट पीपल वाचिंग दिस 2.5. टेल मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग इन कमेंट्स. हाउ मेनी इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स डू यू हैव? टेल मी इन कमेंट्स. I have, I don't know, 12.
You have many. You have as many as I do.
Probably more that you don't even know about.
Correct.
So A, be available on the internet, which you already are. Now, most of the young people say हमें प्राइवेट रखना है अपना लाइफ. क्यों रखना है प्राइवेट? क्या है तुम्हारी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या है? तुमने अगर डांस कर लिया, तुम्हारे पापा ने देख लिया, क्या ही कर लेंगे वो? नहीं, वो क्या करेंगे? अरे मतलब that's what you're scared of. What are you scared of? When you create a private account, what do you want to hide from the world? What is it that you want to hide from the world? You're wearing revealing clothes, you're smoking up, you're sleeping with multiple people. ये तीन ही चीजें होंगी ना. I think there is no fourth category that you'll be scared of. Sorry?
Yeah, mostly.
मतलब in Anshika's case, her nails are not done nicely, so she's scared of that. Somebody will watch and give her a beating
And
on
you're
that.
full.
But ये तीन चीज़ें, ये 4-5 कैटेगरी होंगी ना. Bro, you are in 2025. ठीक है? Doesn't matter, nothing matters. Please be public.
I know, मैं यही सोच रही थी.
ठीक है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसी को. और क्या होता है ना, दुनिया में ना, no one cares. Only person that who cares about you is you. Not even your girlfriend cares about you. Not even your father cares about you. मतलब वो क्या ही कर लेंगे, मतलब they care for you, but ऐसा नहीं कि वो पूरे दिन बैठ के बस तुम देख रहे हैं.
और तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहे हैं.
I'm sure there are controlling people, blah blah blah, edge cases, la la la, all that is there. But broadly, opportunity है तुम्हारे पास public होने की without any fear. क्या ही होगा, कोई creepo आके तुम्हें DM करेगा, there is a button called block.
Yeah,
and
I
it
just
blocks
block
people
anybody
like
and
that.
everybody.
ठीक है, there's a वो creepo के और अकाउंट से आएगा ब्लॉक, कोई बात नहीं. That's the tax that you pay to be on the internet. Like think of it like that. अगर तुम रहते हो वाधवा में और तुम्हारा कॉलेज है नारसी मुंजी में, traveling is a tax that you pay to live at a nice house and go to a nice college.
Correct.
I'm sitting at Starbucks. The tax that I pay is the expensive coffee, which is probably great. I'm Starbucks, so I don't want to shit on it. No, it's a great coffee. I cannot do any other coffee. Like the other day, पहली चीज़ इंटरनेट पे हो जाओ, पब्लिक हो जाओ. सेकेंड चीज़, पॉइंट 2, इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाओ. और इंटरेस्टिंग कैन बी anything, yaar. Read a chapter, not chapter, go to ChatGPT and read about what does Neil Strauss say about peacocking. ये पढ़ लो. I will not tell you what it is, but ये पढ़ लो. Neil Strauss peacocking पढ़ लो. Do you know what that is?
I know,
You
yeah.
know, I made you read that book.
हाँ.
Okay, may not be. किसी ने पढ़ा दी होगी तुम्हें. But become interesting on the internet. How do you become interesting? Now, you could be interesting by becoming a market of one. Like for example, could you be that person who knows how to solve Rubik's Cube blindfold? Could you be that person who's only nerding out on coffee? Like आजकल मैं इंस्टा पे रील देख रहा हूँ एक, I forget the name, प्रशांत करके रील है कोई. You know what he does?
He's just cycling around Mumbai.
No. Oh fuck, Prashant is insane on Instagram. Anshika, you have to see that if you haven't seen.
Do tell.
You know what he does? Screen पे एक कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आता है and वो उससे आवाज़ पूछता है what is this? Like कल रात को रील देख रहा था, उस पर किसी ने नर्स की फोटो डाली. प्रशांत सिंह सुंदर लड़की. And this guy is saying nurse and Prashant Singh, okay, nurse.
Oh yeah.
So he's interesting as fuck. मतलब मैं सिर्फ उसको देखे जा रहा हूँ भाई, मैं उसकी रील ढूंढ रहा हूँ कि और कहानी लगी, मैंने सब देख लिया उसका रील.
He's like croissant Prashant. That
Exactly,
one. Yeah.
croissant. And he's in croissant and like fuck, what a guy, man. Then there's a guy that I love, Vijay 3 guy. Thanks to Rohila for telling me about him. Fuck, I love him.
Vijay 3.
Vijay 3 guy or Vijay guy something.
Okay.
Then there is a guy that I love, Khatri Wines. I don't know what it is called. Khatri something. Khatri _ something. Whatever. Not important. So these are content creators. Forget about them. could you be interesting? Like okay, Instagram पे एक लड़की है. I love her work, not love her work. You know, all she does is post sunset pictures from her apartment at the Versova beach. Oh man, what pictures she takes.
Yeah.
मतलब उसके कुछ 20-22 हज़ार फॉलोवर हैं. Obviously she is a celebrity in her own banner, but all she does is post nice pictures of it. मेरी प्रकृति मतलब हमारी प्रकृति. All she does is talks about her opinion as a 30-year-old. Sorry, age रिवील नहीं करते प्रकृति की. As an adult on the internet, wherein she talking about relationship, books, what is important for her. Fuck, each thing she writes is interesting. I may not agree. Kal raat, by the way, fun fact. Kal raat ko I had this long chat with her about something that she wrote, which is fine.
I figured.
But point is, उसका कंटेंट इंसेन है. मतलब मुझे बहुत बढ़िया आता है, बहुत मजा आता है उसका कंटेंट पढ़ने में. इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. मतलब आई वुड लव टू हैव हर नेक्स्ट टू मी. इट्स नॉट अबाउट अग्रीमेंट्स डिसएग्रीमेंट्स. आई वुड लव टू हैव. आज सुबह ट्विटर पे कलेश हो रहा था. कलेश करने की कोशिश कलेश बता रहा था. सो देयर इज अ गाय दैट आई लव, डॉक्टर मालपानी. उन्होंने कुछ ट्वीट किया. देन देयर इज अ गाय दैट आई लव, दिल्ली मिरर. आई लव दैट गाय एज वेल. मालपानी ने कुछ लिखा, दिल्ली ने उसको कुछ कमेंट किया. मैंने उसको बोला कि भाई तुम दोनों अच्छे लोग हो, क्यों रहता फिर रहे हो. सो आई वाज ट्राइंग टू, दो लोग लड़ाई कर रहे हैं और बीच में घुस रहा हूँ. एंड आई एम गेटिंग पमेल्ड नाउ, व्हिच इज फाइन. वेल, nobody cares. But no, here's the thing. दोनों अच्छे लोग हैं. I don't want them to have any animosity between the two of them. Man, अच्छे लोगों की मेरे लड़ाई नहीं होनी चाहिए. Anyways, so become interesting. How do you become interesting? Like this Delhi guy, bro, he writes insane horror stories. क्या लिखता है वो? और Twitter thread पे horror story लिखता है. मतलब if I had all the money in the world, I would tell him भाई तू नौकरी छोड़, तू सिर्फ ये स्टोरीज लिख और फिल्में बना, इसकी शॉर्ट फिल्म बना. So A, be on the internet, be public. B, become interesting. C, reach out to more interesting people who you may find interesting. Okay, for example, I don't know if you can see this sticker. I don't know if this sticker is visible. Anshika can blast it on the internet. We were at Starbucks, and this very fucking Starbucks, I was sitting right here, and this guy was sitting on that table. I don't know if you can see that table or not. He was sitting on that table, and I could see a laptop with multiple stickers. It was like any other designer laptop with like 100 stickers.
Covered in stickers, yeah.
And one of the stickers caught my eye, and I said कि भाई इतना sticker बहुत बढ़िया है. Now I'm not saying कि जाके creepy बन जाओ कि random लोगों को जाके तंग करो, बातें करो. Obviously, lot of creeps move around the world, but spot other interesting people and talk to them. I'll give an example of one more interesting person that I reached out and made friends with. Ujjwal Asthana. Twitter पे एक आदमी है. He's doing some stealth startup in Pune. उसके पहले उसने कुछ वो किया है. Couple of startups before this. One of them was Activewear brand. I spotted him on Twitter talking sense. एंड ना मैंने इतनी मेहनत करके उसे दोस्ती करी है. इट्स नॉट फनी. मतलब मैंने दोस्त नहीं बनाऊँ, बट आई एम इन हिज रडार. इनफैक्ट टू अ पॉइंट वेयर ही इज वॉलंटियरिंग टू हेल्प मी ऑन पूजाज. मतलब पूजा को चाहिए था तो पूजा को हेल्प करने के लिए तैयार है. व्हाई वुड ही डू दैट? ही इज अ बिग फकिंग गाय. ही डजंट हैव टाइम, बट ही इज डूइंग इट बिकॉज ही probably finds me interesting. He probably finds me adding value to his life. He probably thinks मैं कुछ interesting कर रहा हूँ. Why is it happening? Because A, when he looks at my profile, he sees that I am talking in public for so many years. A. B, when I talk to him, I am talking sense. I'm not going with a creepy conversation and saying, अरे बड़ा cute लग रहा है तू. मतलब ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Right? C, I am actually trying to add value to his life so that I know that he sees me as a useful person. And D, when I approach him for help, I seek help in the way a seeker would. Like for example, I politely asked कि भाई would you have the time? B, what is the good way to connect? Can I do WhatsApp? Can I do email? मतलब वो double opt-in बोलते हैं उसको. Read about this double opt-in policy of connections. मैंने उससे पूछा कैसे कनेक्ट करना है. एंड देन व्हेन आई कनेक्टेड हिम विद पूजा, आई वेंट टू पूजा एंड सेड, पू मैं तेरे को ना उज्जवल से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा आदमी है, बड़ा आदमी है, उसको ना लेना मत, इज्जत से बात करना. सो आई डोंट नो इफ पूजा हैज गॉट बैक टू हिम और नॉट, बट look at the 5 steps I took to make a simple connection with a random person on the internet that I met few months ago. I've not even met him. I've only spoken to him on few calls. And Pooja, जो मेरी बच्ची, मतलब मेरी जान, whatever you want to call it, whatever. But I'm saying, look at the steps I've taken to know more people. Like that's third tip. Like, you know, A, like let me get back to the tips. A, be on the internet. B, be public. Be interesting. C, reach out to more interesting people. D, क्या बोलते हैं, build groups. मतलब बहाना बना के ना ग्रुप बना दो. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू लिव इन से वर्सोवा, मेक अ ग्रुप कॉल्ड वर्सोवा बीच लवर्स यूनाइट. Make a, like, let's say you are I'm thinking of Vaishnavi now. Let's say Vaishnavi is doing a startup in, let's say, broadly in the health space. Why can't Vaishnavi build a group of health tech enthusiasts? Why can't you do that? Like for Meru, we are trying to build a group of friends of Meru. I mean, friends of C4E, we are friends of Meru.
Right.
Like this Starbucks, I have told, by the way, I have told this to
Everybody.
नहीं तू I think Saurabh Jain multiple times कि Starbucks में तू बैठा रहता है. Like one of our kids is Saurabh Jain. He
Yeah.
knows everybody at Starbucks. Like he knows more people at Starbucks than anybody else.
Correct,
I
yeah.
told him भाई एक WhatsApp ग्रुप बना Starbucks के बच्चों का और सिर्फ उस पर काम की बातें करें. मतलब obviously people will do whatever else. मतलब सब creepiness भी होगा. But again I'll come to the tax part bit. तुम जहाँ जाते हो ना ग्रुप बना दो. And this is what Anshika has now started doing. And that's why she has 1400. If she did not make these groups, odds are उसके पास शायद 150 ही connections होते. मतलब 150 नहीं 200 250 होते.
Yeah, whatever. हाँ.
Make groups and then curate those groups. मतलब for example, within those groups, like for example, today I run I don't know how many groups to be honest. I'll have to give a screenshot of number of groups. Within C4 you have subgroups. That's why I can see the utility of Slack and all those
Yeah.
channels that do that. Now, like for example, if I'm talking of West Ham, you're a Fareen. Let's say talk about Fareen. Fareen is a 23-year-old person in digital marketing. Why can't she create a group of under 25 digital marketeers in Delhi? It's a super niche group and you will have 50 people attend and then next step is add value to the lives of all those people as much as you can. मतलब जैसे उज्जवल मेरी हेल्प क्यों कर रहा है बिकॉज उज्जवल को कोई छोटी सी हेल्प चाहिए थी मैंने उसको हेल्प कर दिया. मतलब ही डिडंट इवन आस्क फॉर इट. आई सॉ अ ट्वीट वेयर उज्जवल टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग. आई सेड भाई मेरे को पता है कैसे करते हैं, कैन आई कनेक्ट यू. आई ऑफर्ड, ही डिडंट इवन टेक दैट and he was gracious enough to say thank you for reaching out. I may not need it today but I remember your offer. So now add those tiny layers and elements. Like for example, one of the things that I really wanted to do, one of my visions for C4E was, I hope someday it comes true, that anytime somebody runs away from a city to come to Bombay and become a film star, become a startup guy, person, they should think of C4E कि C4E तो है ना उसे मार देंगे. मतलब think of it as it evolving into a hostel, it evolving into a co-working space for people in need. It could mean a grant. I'm doing it. Why am I doing it? Not that हमें पैसे नहीं कमाने. But the point is that you become that person that people seek out and take help from. XYZ number of connections I have, nobody is calling me.
How sad, sir.
No, it's not sad. I've designed it like that. In fact, there's a tweet by Ramanuj Mukherjee. I always get his name wrong. Law Ninja. He says, in fact, उसने networking बात करी है. You should link that tweet here. उसने लिखा है कि एक टाइम था जब वो it's a funny tweet. He says there was a time when he would sit in the middle seat in a plane so that he could talk to two people.
Yeah, I do that too.
I mean, I would never do that. Extroversion is not my say. And then today he says that today he's come to a point where he doesn't need to do those conversations and he doesn't take a phone call that is not saved in the number. It always go to a voicemail and people, unless they give context to him, he doesn't talk to them, which is a great thing because his time is now precious and important. So at 22, you cannot be that bitch कि मेरे को तुम मेल लिखो. At 22, you better be out there asking for things. मैंने अभी किसी को डांट दिया मैंने. चांदनी को डांट दिया. Oh fuck, I can talk about चांदनी. मैंने उसकी ना पैंट, like literally पैंट उतारी. I don't think, मतलब I can root to her a lot because I can take liberty with her. So context. So Chandni and I were trying to talk to a friend of ours, Murtaza करके है, to take some help on some project that you're doing. तो चांदनी ने बोला मुर्तज़ा हमारी कॉल है 12 बजे. मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो 11:30 she said, I told her कि मैं ट्रांजिट में हूँ, ट्रैफिक में हूँ, अटक गया हूँ, टू लीड द कॉल, जस्ट टेल मी द क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्क मुर्तज़ा. शी सेड व्हाट क्वेश्चंस. मैंने कहा 12 बजे क्या करेगा कि वो, मतलब कॉल पे क्या करेंगे, मुंह दिखाएंगे दूसरे का. एंड शी सेड नहीं बट आई थॉट हम बात करेंगे. मैंने कहा बट क्या बात करेंगे. गिव हिम समथिंग टू टॉक अबाउट. व्हाट वुड ही टॉक टू अबाउट. एंड देन फॉर 15 मिनट्स आई टुक हर केस. मैंने कहा चुतिया ये कर रही है, वो कर रही है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं चाहिए. लर्न रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अनसेंट, मतलब यू नो हाउ आई कैन गो berserk on people. No, I've never done that to you. Wait.
I am aware.
एक दिन आएगा, तेरा नंबर भी आएगा. बट अभी कॉलेज है तेरा, इसलिए वेट कर. बट तेरा भी नंबर आएगा जिस दिन तेरी पैंट उतारी जाएगी. आई एम कमिंग बैक. सो चांदनी को ने बोला कि ब्रो, एक वो इंसान है हमसे 3x बड़ी कंपनी चलाता है, उसके पास 200 एम्प्लॉइज़ है, उसने पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लिया लाइफ में. वो आदमी तेरे को अपना घंटा दे रहा है. ये तेरी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि उस घंटे को तू यूज़ करेगी in the right way. So when you become interesting, when you reach out to interesting people, when you make these groups, there should be a agenda. वो agenda could be, I don't have an agenda. I hope you understand this. The agenda could be, I have no agenda.
Correct, but that effort of thinking about it is what.
Often when I send cold emails, no, Chandni, Anshika, you should remind me to, you know, there are times when I send emails to people, hey, I'd love to connect with you, no agenda. And often people are like, what do you mean by that? When I send messages on LinkedIn to a lot of people, I can send screenshots for the video.
Yeah.
उन मैसेज में लिखता हूँ कि hey, I would love to connect with you because I love your tweets. I'm not here to sell something to you. I'm not here to pitch something to you. But in fact, I'll give an example because I'm doing something in the elder tech. I was reading about folks who write about elder tech. So there's a guy on on LinkedIn called Marmik Modi. I don't know if I'm getting the name correct. Marmik something. He works with Bloom Venture Capital, and he wrote a great report on elder market in the country. तो मैंने LinkedIn पे जाकर उसको लिखा कि भाई तेरी रिपोर्ट पढ़ी मैंने, बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट थी. I'm not here to sell anything. I just wanted to give you my
Say thank you.
Say thank you, and that is it. मतलब this gesture probably in my head goes a long way, and has really helped me. I'm trying to, as we speak, find that out because मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं आ रहा और मुझे नाम.
It says, hey Marmik, I saw your LK report, loved it. I'm building something in this space. I'm not ready for an investment yet, but I would love to be connected.
That's it. So do you see what I did there? I'm saying that, you know,
What's PRD?
Sorry, PRD, product requirement document.
Oh.
So PRD essentially means when you make a tech product, you write a document that you give to developers and other people, and they will work on that and make an entire app out of it. So let's say if Decoding Draupadi were to make an app tomorrow, you will give a brief, बोलते ना, creative brief बोलते ना. So basically,
tech brief
creative
PRD.
brief for tech people is called PRD. Oh fuck, that's a good definition. Creative brief for techies is PRD.
समझ गया. Got it. जो मैं केशव को रोज बोलती रहती हूँ वैसा.
We don't have a PRD for labs,
Right.
but yeah, PRD is that. Anyways, coming back, हम कहाँ थे? So interesting.
No
बात,
agenda.
उनको इज्जत दो. Agenda is not important. Important is उनको इज्जत दो. They may not even deserve इज्जत. Like for example, okay, give that example. When I spoke to this Fareen, the 23-year-old Fareen,
हाँ.
बच्ची है वो मेरे लिए, मतलब मैं उसके बाप की उम्र का हूँ और उसकी कंपनी मुझसे छोटी है, उसने कुछ काम नहीं किया है, ला all of that. But when I talk to her, I give her इज्जत. I ask her, hey Fareen, is it okay if we collect at 9 a.m.? I don't say कि 9 बजे आ जा. So point is, people remember these tiny little things that you do for them, and that is what my thing with them is कि respect do, इज्जत दो. So that's the thing that you can do. Now what else? So if you recap the steps, next step on this one, I'll come to the recap later because I'll forget the next step. Next step is identify where you want to be. So there's a quote that I love. I don't know किसने बोला है कि go where the puck is going to be. ऐसा कुछ line है, मुझे नहीं पता. You know puck, the hockey puck, ice hockey puck. So they say you don't want to be at the place where the puck is right now. The puck is going to move very fast, very sharply, and in multiple directions. So you want to be there where the puck is going to be tomorrow. So tomorrow, if Vaishnavi today is 21, see I got the age right, Vaishnavi. I don't think she'll see this video, but okay, important to me. So she's 21. At 26, what do you want to do? Now she may not have a clue कि 26 पे क्या करना है. Maybe startup करना है, maybe design करना है, maybe शादी करके घर बैठना है. मुझे नहीं पता, right? She could have multiple perspectives. Now, if you know where you want to be at 26, even if you have vague ideas, let's say तेरे पास 3 buckets है ना. Bucket 1 startup, bucket 2 design, bucket 3 शादी. ये 3 buckets पकड़ लेते हैं. Okay, let's talk about you. That's okay. That's speaking for them.
हाँ.
Tell me 3 buckets of places where you 3 नहीं. You can tell me 10 buckets. What do you think you want to be doing in 5 years?
Something in design, maybe.
Okay, bucket 1.
Something startups.
Bucket 2. Write these down. Design, startup.
Wow, workshop. Design, startup, and maybe like movies or
Films.
events, something.
Films. Live entertainment.
Live entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah. 3 years
ये
good.
3 bucket है तेरे पास,
हाँ,
right?
let's say this.
Assuming एक average 25 साल के आदमी के पास 3 ही bucket होंगे. I don't think उसके पास 7 bucket होंगे. हो भी सकते हैं, मतलब I'm
I
hoping a
can
lot
give you
of.
many, but
Give 5. Let's say let's give 5.
I would love to be somewhere in like the women's space. वो startup
Okay.
नहीं आता है,
Women's
but
space.
more
That's
women.
okay.
Niche.
Women empowerment. नहीं,
Women-
empowerment. Women लिख ले.
Women business, women वाले
ठीक है.
space में some business, ठीक है? Women के लिए solutions.
See, I said.
Actually, I'm out of things. Everything falls into one of these. I don't know.
If
Fine. ठीक है. Youth
Age
age
good
new good
and
etc
youth new.
etc. ठीक है.
200 कनेक्शन तुम्हारे फोन
ओ
में.
मुझे कॉफी आइसक्रीम शॉप चाहिए.
They're not okay. Let's लिख ले. आइसक्रीम शॉप लिख ले. आइसक्रीम शॉप.
आइसक्रीम शॉप
200 कनेक्शन तुम्हारे पास. सिर्फ 200 कनेक्शन है भाई, देख लो 200 कनेक्शन है तुम्हारे पास. ओके एक नाउ कमिंग बैक. लेट्स से अंशिका के 5 है, वैष्णवी के 3 है. शादी सॉरी शादी
अरे यार.
शादी डिजाइन एंड स्टार्टअप. नाउ 5 साल करना है. Puck is going to be there in 5 years. What does that mean? You will have to talk to people who you think will stay in that industry for 5 years. So today, if you talk to
who is going to be.
Okay, Manas, the guy with the sticker that we
Correct,
met.
yeah.
Now I spoke to Manas. We've been talking about doing things together or whatever. Now Manas is very clearly a design person. He's into design thinking, design, etc., etc. And he thinks about doing a startup in the health space also. So उसके life में दो directions है, design and a health startup. Now Anshika, is Manas fitting into any of these 5 buckets that you have?
Correct, yeah, design and startups.
Right? So now you need to find people in those 5 buckets and assume कि वो उस bucket में 5 साल रहने वाले हैं. अगर वो, like for example, Chandni will be out of communication business in the next 2 years. So if you want to be running a design agency, communication agency, Chandni is not the person for you. Chandni will be out in 2 years. You want to be with people who will be in it for the next 5 years. You got this? So that is metric number 1.
How do I gauge?
Okay, gauging is filtration process. You meet a lot of people, you're interesting, you talk about it on the internet,
Correct.
you make groups, you talk. Like Manas said, how did you gauge Manas? Okay,
बात करके पता-
think about it. Like out of, let's say, Ved Save,
हाँ.
where do you think he would be?
Live entertainment, movies.
Correct?
Correct.
You've gauged it.
Yeah.
You gauge
हाँ.
it. Where would a Brishti be?
नहीं पता अभी.
Exactly, you cannot gauge today.
हाँ.
Correct? Where would be a Fareen, our Fareen, Goa Fareen?
Communication.
Absolutely. So you know, you get a sense of it, and now you know these people for a while. Imagine somebody that you met for the first time. Okay, think about 3 people that you met recently, new people that you don't know. Tell me more about them.
I met this lady. Her name is Oshin. वो अभी बहुत सारी चीजें करती है. She's an RJ. She does voice art, voiceover artist.
Yeah.
जो भी होता है वो. She writes copy and things like that.
So where do you think she would be in 5 years?
Perhaps still doing her communications वाला काम.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
voice
So
artist
you've been able to
वाला काम.
slot her in a bucket.
These two, correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
Easy, right?
हाँ.
So some cases, like Drishti ki case, is tough because she's still figuring out her life.
Correct.
Vaishnavi, let's talk about Vaishnavi. Public assassination of character. Vaishnavi. What do you think Vaishnavi will be doing in 5 years?
Something in design, something in startups, product.
Cool, super, brilliant. What do you
Yeah.
think Sarah would be doing in 5 years?
नहीं पता.
क्योंकि age, right? Correct?
हाँ.
On the other hand, we know this kid who's 10 years old, AG की बेटी.
Correct.
What do you think she'll be doing in 5 years?
I don't know.
But you
like
can,
a lot of
but you
things.
can put buckets
I can
for her.
put buckets
right?
for her.
So it's a
Code,
mature.
startup,
You
whatever.
can easily identify and create
Buckets around it.
those things, and that is where the magic has to happen. Like this Fareen lady at 23, I know that she will be doing something in the communication agency space. She will not be doing a Naukri. So I will want to talk to her. So you identify, what you do is identify buckets of your interested in 5 years, and meet more people who you think will be in that bucket in the next 5 years. Cool, easy,
correct.
and it's not difficult to do. You reach out to them, talk to them, make groups, all of that, etc., etc. That is one set of people.
Yeah.
Cool. Second set of people that you have to meet is the ones who are big in that discipline today. So AK, if you're design, films, etc., etc., आज तेरे पास है. So what you should do is ask Shikha today कि तूने फिल्मों में कैसे एंट्री की. So you will get to know her entry point for the next 5 years. You got this? So
Correct.
talk to people who are big today. Like for example, if I want to do a elder tech startup, I'm obviously talking to people who want to do elder tech for the next 5-10 years. But I'm also talking to the ones who are doing it today.
Right.
In fact, before starting Meru, I went and met 3-4 founders who are doing large elder tech startups. Used help from my friends to meet network बना के
Correct.
बात कर ली मैंने
Yeah.
उनसे. Idea आ गया मेरे को. Can we not do that? Can you not do that as well? Is the answer. So A, who will be there in 5 years? B, who are doing it well today? Like that's super important. C, who will be your cheerleaders? When I say cheerleaders, these people will probably invest into you. These people will probably connect you with more people. These are the people who will help you reach more places. So random cheerleaders. Like for example,
Correct, yeah.
Anshika, for you for design, who could be random cheerleader? I'm thinking.
Farat, I'd assume. Remember Farat?
Farat will be your collaborator for 5 years because she is in the Web3 design space.
correct.
So she'll be right place for you in the next 5 years. She's the first category. Think of मुस्कान की टोपी.
हाँ,
She
correct.
may not be the designer. I don't know मुस्कान कौन है. मुस्कान की टोपी है. मेरे लिए मुस्कान की टोपी है.
टोपी,
मुस्कान
yes.
नहीं है. So Muskan may not be in startup. Muskan may not be in design.
हाँ,
I don't know where Muskan would be. I cannot peg her to be at one place. But she will be 100% cheerleader for you. Riya Senani. I do not know where she will be in 5
Correct,
years.
but-
Even though she's your age. But I do not know where she would be.
हाँ, right.
Sonam Bala, argument sake.
Correct.
All these people.
Friends, cheerleaders.
हाँ मतलब
Different buckets, but in the same place.
हाँ मतलब that अर्पित guy तुम्हारे कॉलेज का अर्पित जो है. you know that he'll be a cheerleader. I do not know where he would be. I do
Correct.
not know if he'll be collaborating. Sorry, I'm assassinating characters. but he will definitely be a cheerleader for great things. And
Correct.
at some point in once he finds a direction, he will go and get fucking. मतलब he's driven to that ना उसको भी
Right.
समझ नहीं आ रहा करना क्या है, but he'll find.
हाँ,
वो
right.
कुशाग्र होता था, कुशाग्र होता था ना तुम्हारा
कुशाग्र, हाँ, अभी
Now
भी है.
he will probably be in the agency world.
Right, right.
But he will be a cheerleader for you per se. So find those cheerleaders. Saurabh will be a cheerleader for you. What that
Right.
means is that you can come and tell me कि मेरे को आइसक्रीम शॉप खोलनी है. मैं क्या बोलूँगा तेरे को? चल खोल लेते हैं. कोई
खोल
बात
ले,
नहीं. Example. So find those people and start adding value to those people. So for example, create let's say you want to do a film thing. Can you not create a thing called a group of people that will work together to build films community, talk about films and do it on a day-to-day basis. So invest your time, energy into it. Now the nuance here is that don't over invest time. Like for example, घंटे तो नहीं हमारे पास दिन में, मतलब 15 घंटे हैं. I was telling you Vaishnavi yesterday कि अपने पास टाइम तो वो 18 ही घंटे ना हमारे पास
Correct.
करने के लिए.
हाँ.
तो what that means is you can either work in those 18 hours or you can just network. So you need to find the right balance to do that. Now good metric to do it is make your hobbies into what you do on in those things. Like for example, Vaishnavi could just make a hobby of doodling on a paint book, sitting with other people on a Sunday, argument 6. Now that's meeting people, that's doodles, that's design, that's meeting people. I'm sure there are multiple other
Correct,
layers and lenses to
yeah.
it. But that is what she can do to become more connected. Next idea, try to move, and this is where my most controversial opinion is, try to move to places where you think a concentration of such people is high. Like for example, Bangalore. If you're in the Web3 tech, if you're in the Web3 space, you have to be in Dubai. If you're in the tech startup space, you have to be in Bangalore. If you're in the film space, you have to be in Bombay. The tough choice will be when you want to do these 5 things, where do you go? We don't know the answer. Luckily, अपने case में, by the way, this goes on the record. We will have a house in Bangalore also in this year. मतलब I don't know
What for?
for this, that you can live in Bangalore for a
अच्छा,
month
वैसे,
and come
understood.
back. So C4E will have a house in Bombay. C4E will have a house in Dubai.
I was
C4E will
thinking
have
of
a
going
house
to
in
Bangalore for a bit and
Bangalore.
just meeting people.
I don't know how
Yeah.
I'll make it happen, but that's the vision for sure. And it'll be a C4E house, like anybody can live and all of that. Anyways, we'll come to that. But go to hubs of places where you have.
You say it's a controversial opinion. Why is that?
Yeah, because people don't want to move to those hubs. Like for example, if you live in Bombay, you cannot live in Thane and call yourself that you live in Bombay. Not because it's far, but the serendipity doesn't happen in Bombay. I would not ever meet a Manas in Thane. I would meet him
Right.
at a Versova. फिल्म बनानी है तो तेरे को आराम नगर के ब्लू टोकल में बैठना ही पड़ेगा.
Right.
I'm serious. Not even Jamjar. Fun. I don't know why people don't go to sit at Jamjar. Jamjar is cheaper than fucking Blue Tokai.
Correct. Yeah.
Far more polite, far more relaxed. They are good people, but I don't know why people don't go there. But not important. But फिल्म बनानी है तो तेरे को आराम नगर के ब्लू टोकल में बैठना ही पड़ेगा. स्टार्टअप करना है तो इंदिरा नगर के whatever 5th main 8th main जो भी
Third wave में
whatever,
बैठना पड़ेगा.
और बैठना ही पड़ेगा. तो मैं ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. Like if you tell me that you live in Mysore and do a startup, edge cases may do it, but you will not do it for sure. So अगर वैष्णवी को Web3 में काम करना है some point in life, she has to be in Dubai. She cannot be in India and Web3.
हाँ.
That Pritam, one of my friends I spoke about, he is moving his entire family to Dubai. उसकी बेचारी बीवी की नौकरी ढूंढ रहे दुबई में, so that she has a career, and बच्चे का स्कूल ढूंढ रहे हैं दुबई में, because Dubai is where the action is. Like it's not about मतलब it's an insane way. मतलब प्रकृति and I fight about this a lot. She is very happy living in Malad. And I'm saying अगर तेरे को कल्चर और स्पेस में होना है तो you have to live in Bandra. मतलब कल्चर में Bandra. मतलब it has to be in that space. Otherwise वो culture conversation is moot. मतलब ठीक है. She is not lazy. Unlike me, she's not lazy. She's okay to travel from Malad to Bandra every day, which is great, good for her. But I'm saying that hour that you invest in traveling, you can justify that by saying कि मैं तो किताब पढ़ लेती हूँ, मैं तो podcast सुन लेती हूँ, but वो hour तो hour है ना.
Headspace जाता है.
Perry, मतलब really cool friend. He lives in Thane. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I am saying this on video by the way, on video. Perry would have had a 10x stand-up comedy career if he was in Andheri or in Bandra. The reason he is not as well known as he could be is because he fucking lives in Thane. That's it. And I don't know how to explain this to you. Read another thing called Sex and the Cash Theory by Hugh MacLeod. I repeat multiple times. It's very important. Read Paul Graham ka Cities and Ambition
जहाँ पे हब है
ठीक है
उन
हाँ
buckets
हम
का।
अच्छा इसके अलावा द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वुड से इज दैट बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स विद देम सो वो बोलते हैं ना आजकल इंटरनेट पे काफ़ी पॉपुलर है वो कॉन्वर्सेशन फक अराउंड एंड फाइंड आउट
Yeah.
FAFO क्या बोलते हैं उसको
फाफो।
you can make a sticker on a FAFO
हाँ।
fuck around and find out now do projects like for example I told one of these kids came to me and said that I want to learn how to do marketing and build businesses I told her to जाके एक अचार की ब्रांड खोल दे
हाँ।
why would I do that because she will fuck around and find out अचार की brand is the greatest marriage of branding, communication, on-ground work, licensing, government, bureaucracy, ads, consumption, सब है उसके अंदर मतलब there is nothing that you can do better than an अचार का brand
मैं ही
to
खोलूँ
learn
क्या?
marketing. खोल ले absolutely. Last straw में for example the challenge of last straw is actually you know what last challenge of last straw is concept selling कि straw use नहीं करेंगे it's a great product but अचार तो अचार है bro मतलब बनवा गोरखपुर से 10 किलो अचार और बेच
I was planning on doing that. गाँव से अचार बनवा के
absolutely
selling it to the world.
please do that.
मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है बाकी को।
Do that. So why achar ka brand? I mean, so first one find out. So you do projects with those people and try to do multiple projects with multiple people. मतलब for example, don't just do one achar ka brand. I'm saying open 3 things at the same time. So एक तरफ तो अचार बना रही है, दूसरी तरफ कुछ और बना रही है, तीसरी तरफ कुछ और बना रही है. So point is try to build multiple things. For yourself and with different sets of people so that you build a working relationship with those people and this will teach you about yourself, about your ego, about your way of thinking, about how you navigate uncertainty, about how you learn from this. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि मेरा favorite quote है, one of my favorite quotes that ships are very safe in the harbors but that's not where they're built for.
Correct,
So
yeah.
as a young person you have been given a very safe life wherein you had to do nothing. तेरे को घर से पैसे आ रहे हैं, तेरे को खाना आ रहा है, तेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, तेरे को सिर्फ चिल मार रहा है. मतलब I find it funny कि बच्चे सिर्फ चिल मारते हैं, कुछ करते नहीं इंटरेस्टिंग. This is the first time when you get in the world as a 23-year-old कि मतलब most 23-year-olds listening to this also would be simple नौकरी वाले लोग. They may not be entrepreneurs, they may not be creators or whatever. So the transition from being a safe haven to a large project that you could do to build something is what you need to slowly transition into. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम से तुमने बोल दिया कि कल से तो 1000 करोड़ की कंपनी चला ले. So let's say you do a small project. It could be a blog with somebody. You do a small project. It could be video podcast. You do a larger project from there on called Achar Ki Company. You do a larger project from there on like a decoding Draupadi ka event, and you do a larger project from there on called running a company. So each step you increase the complexity. You add lessons and you do it with multiple people. So what you're doing is in the next 5 years you're getting to meet multiple people and you're meeting them not just for parties, you're meeting them for work conversations wherein your how do I explain, where your skills and where your faculties are getting developed for shipping businesses. मतलब for example तेरे केस में if you do the achar company argument से, now what happens once you do that is that it allows you to learn how to do shipping, learn how to, and shipping के लिए तो किसी से बात करेगी, एक you can go to the restroom now if you want to go,
No.
but shipping के लिए इससे बात करेगी, marketing के लिए इससे बात करेगी, इसके लिए इससे बात करेगी. So you will do multiple things with multiple people and it will develop your faculties.
Right.
And for that, while you do that, in each of the individual conversations, you will be able to learn more things from more people. Plus, the world will start knowing you as somebody who's fucking around and finding out. You're not a student like every other student that is on the internet. You're not a 23-year-old. Like look at Nimisha. I love her only because she is doing so much in public. मतलब the reason why I want to be around her is because I know that वो कुछ तो नया कर रही होगी, कुछ नया छापेगी, और in the process of doing that she will learn something. So today Nimisha has a far larger lux surface area than any other kid that I know because she is consistently shipping.
Correct.
And shipping on whatever her mind tells her to. ऐसा नहीं कि रुक गई है वो. Right? So now imagine Anshika, if you want to be in startups, Nimisha is a person that you can probably say कि वो 5 साल startups में होगी. Make the effort to become friends with her. Make the effort to do something with her. Like for example, उसने वो women के ऊपर वो बनाया था calculator. I don't know if it went on her company's page. हाँ, I don't know if it went on her company page or her personal page.
Personal project.
Now it's a brilliant idea, and this is the right marriage of women, startups, communication. Can you not do something about it? Can you not go to Nimisha and say कि bro तेरा ये बहुत बढ़िया है. Let's now take it ahead.
Yeah.
जो मैंने बोला ना कि उसके हॉरर पोस्ट का ChatGPT यूज करके मैं फिल्म बना के दे दूंगा. Now I am building on top of his idea. Now imagine Nimisha will now start thinking of you as yet another interesting person who's willing to get her hands dirty to work with me, and that will set you apart from all the 50,000 people who celebrate Nimisha.
Correct.
She will start looking at you as a collaborator, not as a
Fan
fan or a cheerleader. Remember those categories of people that I
Yeah,
spoke to you about?
yeah.
You become a potential collaborator, and that's how you built your Lux Surface area into little more than you could have imagined. That is what. So you basically fuck around and find out. So that's the next thing. And then when you do that, do it in obviously public. Show the world कि कैसे काम करते हैं and क्या काम करता है. And that's your answer. मतलब that's the magic. That's where the magic happens. So that I think I'm done. Actually, the break was not a good idea. Well, I'm done. I can talk more, but I'm done.
ठीक है. Got it. So I will recap, and if you have any last thoughts. अगर किसी यंग बच्चे को 20 साल के बच्चे को अलर्ट करना है और in the next 5 years wants to be hyper connected, here are the few things they should do. Number 1, be present on the internet.
Yes.
While you're present, also be interesting.
Yes.
ठीक है, be present in public. Reach out to more interesting people. Build groups with people and add value to
And
those groups.
reach out to more interesting people, the kinds who you want to be in 5 years.
Correct. Build groups with people here and there, everywhere, and add value to these groups.
Yeah.
An exercise you suggested was finding कि तुम्हें 5 साल में क्या करना है और फिर उसके buckets में find out 3 kinds of people. One who will be in the field 5 years later, one who are the leaders in the field today, and one who are your cheerleaders with whatever you do.
Yeah. And there could be more categories. These are the categories that I feel are important.
Okay.
These are the categories that I feel are important.
Yeah.
You could have different categories.
Then you want बहुत सारा नेटवर्किंग करना पड़ेगा और वर्क से बैलेंस नहीं होगा, so figure out your balance there. Move to cities which are the hubs of whatever you want to do in life. Build projects.
More than two cities, be in the middle of the ecosystem building for that.
Correct. Yeah.
Like I have a friend who wants to sell sarees online. So उसके लिए वो सूरत गया 2 दिन के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो
वहाँ पे
वहाँ
साड़ी चल
मार्केट
रही है.
बनती है साड़ियाँ वहाँ.
हाँ. Then build projects with people. You suggested somebody do like fuck around and find out basically. Somebody you suggested कि अच्छा brand कर लो, learn something. You'll figure out something or the other out of it. And do all of this in public and show the world that you're up to something. Is that it?
Yeah, I think this is it. And I gave a lot of assignments to people in
Yeah.
the middle, and you go fix those. And I think that's a long episode for it. But 5 साल के लिए.
Yes.
See you.
5
Bye.
साल का homework है.
5 साल का homework. No, I have a lot of homework for this.
5 years later, I think people should tell कि तुम्हारे phone में कितने contacts.
Oh yeah, 5 साल में क्या? 1 साल में. Every year होना चाहिए.
Okay, sure. Bye people. Thank you so much for watching.